Hey Wales, good evening. It is Tuesday, November the 18th. Hope you guys are having a great start to your trading week. Let's recap the markets and go over Nvidia here. Been getting a lot of requests for this one. We have earnings coming up tomorrow. So let's go over exactly what I'm expecting moving forward. And as always, before we jump into the analysis, let's go over our trade so far for this year to see how we're doing. You guys can see we're absolutely killing it. We officially reached over 100K in profits this year, guys. We started with 100K at the beginning of this year in January together, and now we officially reached over 100K in profits. Amazing stuff. 63% win rate across our trades as well. We had a huge win on Microsoft, Coca-Cola, TJX over the last few days, weeks here, right? So great start to November, and hopefully we can keep up this momentum for the rest of the weeks ahead. We're in about 6 or 7 different swing trades as we speak. We're about to get into 4 or 5 more going into December, right? So every trade here, guys, everything is literally posted here in Discord. So come through, you get the swing trade ideas, entries, target, stop losses, right? Day trade ideas, entries, target, stop losses as well. So come follow along. You get exact commentary on when I get in and get out of my trades every single day. So you're going to make so much money with us. Looking forward to seeing you here. The link is in the bio for you to join. Okay, so with that said, let's jump into Nvidia. So overall, guys, right, for Nvidia, we have earnings coming up. Definitely a lot of catalysts to be provided here. Now, historically, Nvidia has always beat their earnings, but a lot of the times, even on a beat, the stock price actually goes down, okay? So, if that's going to be the case, I do expect a beat, but if it does go down, right, on a good earnings beat, okay, you're looking at possibly 166 down to 145 as a pretty interesting level for price to come down at, and you have this confluent of the 200 daily moving average as well, signifying the uptrend to still be intact, okay? So we're still in a bullish cycle, guys, so as long as price can stay along the 200 daily moving average, this could be a little bit of a chunk buy for you guys to go into if you've never had Nvidia before, or if you wanted to get into Nvidia for the long term. These are some ideas to really have in place. So this is a level that I'm definitely taking a look at, 166 down to 145. And if that's the case, right, if we can hold that level, we're looking at 233 as that main target for the next algo level. This is where the banks like to sell after going in around the 200 daily moving average, okay? So if you're taking a look, possibly wave 1, 2, still working on a 3, 4, and we're missing a 5, guys. We're missing one more wave high to finish off all of a 5-wave sequence from the April lows, and this would conclude with bearish divergences forming. And yeah, let's see if that can happen, okay? So very interesting to see what's going to occur for the earnings. It could be a big catalyst. We are at support here at 183, 179. However, right, if I just zoom down just a little bit on the 4-hour, I don't like this formation going into the earnings, right? You're seeing lower highs here. You can see lower high, lower high, lower high, equal lows. So what does this look like? This looks like a descending triangle, guys. So what is a descending triangle? Well, typically formations that occur with descending triangles is that price, okay, comes down, they hit, they come back up, they hit again, come back up, even less momentum, hit again. So eventually this floor, guys, think of it as a door. Every time it's getting rammed with stronger momentum, and eventually it's going to break through, okay? So this is why I don't, I'm siding I'm siding on the side of the bears right now, okay? Even though we are at good support of 183, and if we do break down, we're looking at 166, right? So just keep in mind that this formation typically, right, in theory, is not a bullish sort of pattern that you like to see on the intraday. Okay, we're making lower highs, equal lows, right? The floor might break soon. I'm seeing some warning signs, and your next level would be 166 down to 145. Okay, but who knows, right? Earnings can sort of break all structure, can go up, but ultimately I'm looking at 166 to 145. Okay, so I keep you guys updated every single day on what Nvidia wants to do, how it's going to look like. And again, come join Discord, guys, right? You get the swing trades, day trades, exact entries, exact commentary on when I get in and get out of trades every single day, 100x baggers, as well as all the stocks, wave counts across Nvidia, Tesla, the S&P 500. So you always know what's going to happen, okay? So I look forward to seeing you. Talk to you guys soon. Have a great rest of your Tuesday. And yeah, we'll see what happens after earnings.